What's up, guys? Today in this video we're going to be putting in this DDP fuel pin into this VE Pump 12 valve. So this is going to be a how-to video for you guys. So like I said, this is a Dynamite diesel fuel pin. Anyways, so let's get started on this. First thing we're going to need to do is remove this banjo bolt right here, and then we'll take out all these screws on top right here. The factory ones will be they will be flathead screws, so if you're having trouble taking those off, what I had to do when I was taking mine off was tap the screwdriver with a hammer to kind of break the C's, because they probably will be pre-seized in there. But once you get those factory ones out, just a side note, if you can replace them with something other than flathead screwdrivers, other than flathead bolts, because it'll make it way easier for you in the future. So the banjo is a 12 millimeter. Don't lose none of these washers or the bolt or anything. Just kind of swinging it out of the way just a little bit. They don't need to go very far. Now we get to these bolts right here. You don't need to mess with this center one. You don't need to mess with these. Just these four right here. So I got the cap off. Just get them bolts out and let it pull right out. And this thing right here, got that on the bottom of it. It just pulls right out of that. After that, you get that out. Try and pull this plunger out right here. You gotta get a little bit of, you gotta wiggle it a little bit, but it'll come out. Like that. Don't lose this spring right here. Just leave that down in there. Alright, so you can see my factory pin's been modified a little bit. That's why I replaced them bolts. But you can hold this with a wrench right here and then loosen that nut on top, and take this top piece off and then just pop your new one on, or you could put it in a vise. Be careful if you're going to put it in a vise. You don't want to score the size of this. So I got this all put back together. Take your Sharpie and make a line on the side with the curve on it. So now we're just going to put the curve towards the front of the truck. Make sure that O-ring right there, that plastic ring, make sure that goes down on the pin like that. You just flatten it out, twist it towards the front of the truck, and now it's time to put everything back together just like it went. Alright guys, so that's about it on this little tutorial I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. I'll get back to you. If there's any videos you guys want to see, just let me know, and y'all have a great day.